get started. So the industry is facing a lot of problems in detailed tagging of images and videos. Still, a lot of stuff is done manually, and it's a tedious process. Okay, there's general tagging is going on, but detailed tagging is not happening, not at the level that we are expecting it to be. And facial authentication and recognition is still not an out-of-the-box solution. It's not a plug-and-play, and it's still hard to implement, and it's not very easy to integrate. So here we have a use case. We're going to talk about a use case that we are working on, a project. It's a multi-factor authentication. Who's in that car? What is the license plate? Does the driver and license plate match? These are the authentication parameters we're going to go over. So with Chooch, you're able to do authentication, image classification, object detection all together, and it's very easy to train. You could even train from a mobile app, mobile phone, and you could use any source. It could be drones, web uploads, mobile phones, anything as a source of images. Also, Chooch is very highly trainable. You could train anything and train it really fast. We have a patented machine learning algorithm that we're creating perception libraries, including face libraries. And we have an open API, a very simple API to integrate. And it's used by multiple customers now. And integration process, which takes normally 3 to 4 weeks with other APIs providers like Google Vision and AWS Recognition. With us, it takes only a few days because we've packaged a lot of the functionality, and it's very cost effective. So here we're going to talk about our use case and our project. Multi-factor visual authentication use case. Here we have a car model, the face of a person, and license plate. So we're first understanding what the car make and model is using object detection, image classification through neural networks. That's one validation. And then we're understanding license plate through object detection and text recognition. And then we're understanding if the face matches. Here, of course, the face doesn't match, so the 3 parameter authentication fails, and it gives an alert. Like I said, Chooch is highly trainable, and right now we have 130,000 classes with over 100 models trained, and we're training 1 model every day on average. So this is a military use case. We've trained these helicopters in less than 10 minutes. So here's a competitive benchmark. As you can see, we're going much more into detail into understanding the objects and reclassifying them compared to Google Vision, Amazon Recognition, and Clarify. We're using a dense classification algorithm, which we're cutting out the objects and we're reclassifying them with over 100 models, hierarchy.